et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Anu Gupta et je suis votre enseignante. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous apprendre. Mais avant de commencer par ce sujet, je voudrais vous demander quelque chose. Abonnez-vous à ma chaîne s'il vous plaît, car cela me motivera à faire plus de vidéos de ce type pour vous. Merci. Alors commencer par le sujet qui est
la punctuation. In this video, I am going to tell you some punctuation rules in French which are different from English. The capital letters. The rules for the capital letters are same as in English, except for the days and the months. They are not written with the capital letter. For example, you can see lundi, which is Monday. It is written with small l. Janvier means January. It is also written with small j. Same way, all the days and the months, they are written in small letters. Then the religions. The religions, they are also written in small letters, like Christian, Muslim, Hindu. All these religions are written in small letters. Then the geographical adjectives. When you say that I am Indian, je suis Indian, or je suis français, then you don't have to put the capital I or capital F for India and français. But remember one thing, the geographical names, they are always written in capital letters. For example, Inde, India, France, Paris, all these geographical names of the cities and of the countries, they all are written in the capital letters. Then the job titles. In English, we write the job titles with capital letters. The beginning letter is capital. For example, for president, for director general, we use the capital letter. But in French, you don't have to use the capital letter for it. You have to write it down in small letters. Then I'm going to tell you certain signs, how they are called in French. Les signes suivants sont appelés comme. The first one is comma. It is called la virgule. La virgule. Then question mark is called le point d'interrogation. Full stop is called le point. The exclamation mark is called le point d'exclamation. Hyphen is called le trait d'union. At sign is called arrobas. L'arrobas. The quotation marks are called les guillemets. The apostrophe sign is called l'apostrophe. Then the underscore, the low dash, that is called le sous-tiret. Then when you give space, it is called l'espace. L'espace. Then here are some mathematical signs. Les signes mathématiques. Plus. Plus sign, addition sign, or if you want to say more, it is called plus. In French, it is called plus. Then the minus sign or the less sign or the subtraction sign, it is called moins. Moins. Then multiplication, it is called fois. Fois. It is how many times, like 2 times, then it will be called deux fois. 3 times, trois fois. Then equal to. Equal to is called égal. Égal. And divided by is called divisé par. Divisé par. Like you can see in the example, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is called 2 plus 3 égale 5. And 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. It is called 2 fois 10 égale 20. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Au revoir. À bientôt. Et n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. Merci.